Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Marozia Rahab. I'm from Universitas Ibnu Sina. Now I am in my second semester and here I will try to interview my friends. How, what do big teachers? What is the interview like? Do you complete my English assessment? Let's see guys. Good afternoon guys. I'm here with my friend and I want to interview him about his motivation. Come on, let's get to know each other. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. Hello guys, my name is Rantari and I want to answer about interview about my friends. Uh, I am passion teacher. I have always loved working with young minds, and teaching has become more than just profession. It's calling for me. What what you want about me?
What inspires you to become teacher?
My biggest inspiration was my mother. She was also a teacher, and I saw how much impact she has on her students. I wanted to be some who could inspire others and save others like she did.
When do you start teaching teacher? And how do you feel on your first day in the classroom?
I started teaching in maybe uh, 20 or and 21. On my first day, I felt nervous, but also I'm very excited. The moment I stepped into the classroom, I know I was actually where I was meant to be.
What has been the biggest challenge you faced and teacher?
One of the biggest challenge is handling students with different learning abilities and maintaining their adjustment. Every student is unique, so we take practice and creatives to make sure no one uh, left behind.
How do you stay motivation to teach even during difficult times?
I always remind myself of my purpose, why I chose to be teacher. I see my students grow, learn, uh, and achieve their goal keeps me going, even when things get hard.
What is the most memorable moment you had with your student?
There was a time when my great student finally opened up and shared their dream of becoming a word I return after class discussion. Moment like that is priceless and remind me why I teach.
How do you deal with students with are difficult to manage or lack motivation?
I try understand their background first, often their reason behind their behavior. I work trust, communicate openly, and try connect learning with their interests.
What value or preference do you always try to instill in your student?
I always find respect, responsibility, and love for learning. I want them to be kind, serious, and confident individuals.
In your opinion, what is the role of the teacher in shaping the future of the young generation?
Teachers are not just educators, they are role models, mentors, life with. We help students find their identity, be built in confidence, and prepare them for the real world.
How do you adapt your teaching methods to meet the different needs of your student?
I use variants of teaching strategies, visual aids, group work, digital tools, and personalized texts, and ensure our students can engage in ways that suit them best.
Professional, what the teacher or figure what inspires you to become who you are today?
Yes, my high school teacher made learning feel magical. She believed in me even when doubt myself. I tried to be the kind of teacher for my students.
How do you respond to frequent changes in the curriculum or
Uh,
education policy?
Instead of resisting, I try to see the change as opportunities to improve. I stay updated, attend training session, and always look for ways to make a new policy work for my students.
What are your thoughts on the challenge teacher face in the digital and technology era?
Technology is both is challenge and blessing. It requires to keep learning, but it's also open up new possibilities for creativity, student adjustment, and flexible learning.
What do you keep learning and grow as teacher?
I read educational article, journal, and I'm joining webinar, collaborating with fellow teacher, and reflect on my own teaching practice regularly.
Have you ever felt like giving
Yes,
up? If so, what keep you going?
yes, there were moments when I felt overwhelmed, but remembering the face of my student and the impact I can make always gives me the strength and continue.
What is your best hope for the student you touch?
I hope they become kind, confident, resilient individuals who never stop learning. More than anything, I want them believe to themselves and chase the dream.
Do you always want to become a teacher since you were a child?
Yes, I once said become teacher since I was a child. I used to parents, I was teaching my dolls, then I'm younger sibling. Um, Teaching has always felt natural to me.
How did your family react when you did to become teacher?
My parents, nothing for that. They were very supportive, especially my mother. She is also a teacher, and she encouraged me to follow this path because she knows meaningful is costly.
Last question. Do you ever consider a difference grade before choosing to become a teacher?
Yes, one I once talked about become I psychologist because I love understanding people. But in the end, I really enjoy teaching about me to make a direct impact while still nurturing and building other emotionally than mentally. That's all for me. There, my motivation about me Teacher, that's all for me.